In this video, I will show you how to delete bank account from crypto.com. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you need to click on this deposit button. And then from this drop down menu, you have to select this fiat option. Then you have to select your preferred local currency. So you can select Euro or USDT. So just select here your currency. And then on the screen, you will be able to see all of your bank account that has linked to your crypto.com. Now to delete your bank account, you need to click on this edit button at the top of your bank. Then this little red icon will appear at the starting of your all bank accounts. So now you have to click on this red icon before the bank account which you want to delete. Then this remove button will appear, so you have to click on it, and then you just have to click on remove button again and your bank account will be removed. If you don't find this little edit button right at the top of your bank name, you can just try to swipe left on your bank name, and then this option will also appear. So it's depend on the version of your crypto.com app. So just use any of this option to delete your bank account.